Africa Mashariki Fest is a voluntary non-partisan regional youth platform that believes the youth must be the vanguard of the East African community integration. We have a mandate of creating awareness about EAC integration through art, sports, and advocacy as our platforms. The Africa Mashariki Fest Bujumbura Peace Run is aimed at fostering cohesion and changing the mindset about the youth of this country, Burundi. We know that the youth of Burundi and the region at large have taken a back seat when it comes to matters of national importance. So we feel, as the youth of this region, once we come together to show solidarity, to show cohesion, to show togetherness and love for Burundi, we will converge in Bujumbura and try to preach peace as from a different front. As the inter-Burundi dialogue and other stakeholders are discussing peace, we are also coming in as the young people to show our support for the peace process in Burundi as a partner state of the East African community. And we also hope that this run will impact directly or indirectly onto the peace building process of Burundi and the spirit of patriotism. Well, politics is a dominant, but in our platform we are non-partisan. But we cannot hold any function without the approval of the relevant authorities, and in this case we are talking of leaders who are politicians. So it's an inclusion of everyone to preach peace, because a peaceful Burundi is possible, and this should be an initiative of the Burundi first, and then the partner states coming on board to supplement. As Africa Mashariki Fest, we are deeply concerned about the way politicians use the youth across the region to attain their agenda. It's important that we talk to fellow youth to understand, first of all, the fundamentals of patriotism. Because once you love your country, once you love your region, you won't allow politicians to indoctrinate you, to force you into engaging into violent things, because once we develop the spirit of patriotism fundamental among the youth by letting them know that this country belongs to them, they have a stake in it, the future of Burundi is for the young generation, so they should embrace peace and not engage in matters of violence. Because at the end of the day, if you analyzed if there is any kind of violence, it is the youth are the vulnerable group. They are the ones who are used to go on streets, burning cars, burning buildings, stoning people. So we feel once we talk to fellow youth about the need to love their country, then politicians won't be able to use them for their selfish agenda. This run is organized under the theme Embracing Sports to Promote Cohesion, and the run is scheduled for the 27th of May 2017 with its flagging off and finish at Prince Louis Rwagasore Stadium here in Bujumbura. We are expecting champions from different partner states in East Africa and Ethiopia to come and be part of this run. So it's our call to stakeholders, partners, sponsors out there, because the peace of this country, the peace of this region is everyone's concern. So we call upon support, we call upon partnerships from different stakeholders so that this event can be a success.